Hey friends, if your internet speed is slow and the same is shown on fast.com, then please watch this video. I will guide you through methods which can increase your internet speed. So first of all, we can go to fast.com and check the speed. And the obvious resolution to this is to bring your computer closer to the router, because as close as it is to the router, the speed will increase. The second solution is to shift to the 5G network. Now I'll show you what it means. When I check these networks with most routers, especially the newer ones, we have two networks. One is the usual 2.5G one and one is the 5G one. So 2.4G one and the 5G one. So I usually use the 5G one wherever it's marked -5G, and at times the 2.4G one doesn't even show. Now the case with the 5G network is that it has a shorter range but a way higher signal. So if it shows 91 Mbps here, if I was connecting it to the 8061, the normal one, then it would be showing around 40 or 50 Mbps. This is the first solution. The second solution is to check the root cause behind the slow internet connection once your computer is close enough to the router. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. In the Task Manager window, there is an option for network usage, and right now there is no network usage, it's at 0%. But if I hit this, you'll notice that it may rise a little because Microsoft Edge is asking for somewhat internet connection. So if this is at 0%, that's okay. If it is very high, then check the process which is utilizing the network, right click on it and select End Task if it is utilizing a lot of network. The next solution is to use Google's DNS, and this is a very helpful solution. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter to open the network connections window. Now one of these network connections will be inactive with a red cross, bunk that one, and one would be all in green. So this is the active network connection. Right click on this one, the active network adapter rather. Go to properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server address. In the preferred one, type 8.8.8.8. in the alternate one, type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK, and then click on OK once again, and this will be very helpful in fixing the issues. The next solution will be to disable the power management option. So right click on this and select properties once again, just like before, and this time we'll click on configure instead. After this, we'll go to the power management tab and there will be a switch for allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this one and click on OK, and this will be very helpful. The next solution will be to set your system for best performance. So search for performance and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now ideally it is selected at let the Windows choose what is best for my computer. If you select it at adjust for best performance, all of these checkboxes will get unchecked and it will impact the appearance of your system, but that's doable if you want a better internet speed, especially for gaming. Click on apply and then on OK, and it will be helpful. And the last one is obviously to update network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and click on device manager. Expand the list of network adapters, right click on the Intel wireless AC1 or Intel wireless, anything that follows after that, it could also be an N. Right click on this and select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.